Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Lovable to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then, click on Create Workflow from the top right corner. Now, click on Add First Step and search for Lovable. If Lovable doesn't appear in the list, then search for HTTP and click on HTTP request instead. Next, select the HTTP method like GET, POST, PUT, or delete based on what you want to do with Lovable's API. Then, enter the Lovable API URL. You can find this in Lovable's API documentation or account settings. Now, select the authentication method. You can choose None, Header Auth, or any generic credential type depending on what Lovable requires. After that, run the toggle on or off for send query parameters, send headers, and send body based on the data you want to include in the request. Finally, click on Execute step to run the request and see if the connection to Lovable works successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.